Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video lesson we'll be talking about cybercrime, cyberbullying and cyberstalking. Let's get started. Cybercrime: any criminal offense that is facilitated by or involves the use of electronic communication or information system, including any electronic device or the internet, is referred as cybercrime. Now, what actually is cybercrime? Let's see what is a crime. Anything which you go against the law is a crime. You're murdering someone is a crime. You're stealing something is a crime. So there are many other types of crime out there. But what actually is cybercrime? If you do anything against the law over the internet, that is nothing but a cybercrime. Say suppose you're stealing a password, that is a cybercrime. You're making fun of someone over the internet, that is cybercrime. Now, cybercrime covers phishing, credit card fraud, illegal downloading, cyberbullying, child pornography, cyberstalking, cyberterrorism, creation or distribution of viruses, spam, and so on. Now, what is this phishing? Phishing is a duplicate website made by the hackers in order to get your personal information, say suppose Facebook. Now, if someone introduces a new duplicate Facebook page, and you log in through this page, you enter your username and password, so hackers can get your username and password and may use against you. Credit card fraud, like someone calling over the phone about your bank account, that your ATM has been blocked, you need to do something. You get calls, and then after that, when you do whatever they say, your bank balance will become zero. Transaction will happen. This is nothing but a credit card fraud. Illegal downloading: suppose you're downloading some movies from website. Normally you can't download, you have to buy. That is nothing but illegal downloading through certain website. Cyberbullying: nowadays people are making fun on actors over the internet. That is nothing but cyberbullying. Child pornography: cyberstalking, someone stalking on you through internet. That is nothing but cyberstalking. What is this? Cyberterrorism: anything that go against the act of terrorists, that is nothing but cyberterrorism. Or if you create or distribute viruses, that comes under cybercrime. Cyber trolls and bullying: cyber troll refers to a person who purposely posts opposing, sarcastic, demeaning or insulting comments about something or someone with an aim of targeting a person. So what does it mean? So nowadays we are seeing actors being targeted on social media. They've been insulted, there have been sarcastic message, we can see insulting comments, we can see some people opposing nepotism, and they comment demeaning message over the internet. That is nothing but cyber trolls. Trolling is a cybercrime and is closely related to cyberbullying. It is in the form of cyberbullying. So you see a troll message on a Facebook which go or target against a person, that is not comes under cybercrime. So it is a form of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying occurs when someone uses the internet, a cell phone, email or instant message chat rooms or networks such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. to harass, demean, embarrass or intimidate someone. So what does it mean? Say you're using Facebook and you started sending photos of your friend which is not good over the WhatsApp. So that is in the kind of cyberbullying, since you're using internet and a cell phone. There are many ways, like in social media like Facebook and Twitter. If you're harassing someone over the internet or on Facebook, that comes under cyberbullying. So it is a crime committed by teens too, as their growing access to electronic communication makes it possible to make fun of. So since teens are starting to use this electronic device, they make fun of their friends or any other, harass a person. So it is committed by teens also. The crime is committed by the teens by using electronic communication device such as mobile phone, laptop or desktop. Cyberbullying is a crime garnering such criminal charge as harassment, libel, assault and even terrorism. Cyberbullying, it is a crime, so it comes under criminal charge such as harassment, libel, assault or even terrorism. If you go against the law of Indian constitution, then if you do something wrong, then it comes under cyberbullying, or we call it cybercrime. Cyberbullying may be held responsible for damage they do in civil lawsuit. Say suppose you're bullying some person, or you bully through some religious matter or through some religion. So the sentiments of religion will get hurt and it will damage the civil lawsuit. That is nothing but cyberbullying. Cyberstalking. This is the kind of online harassment wherein the victim is subjected to a barrage of online messages and emails. Cyberstalker relies upon the anonymity afforded by the internet to allow them to stalk their victim without being targeted. Now, what actually is cyberstalking? Let's see the meaning of stalking. The person following you again and again is nothing but stalking. Now, the person will stalk you for getting some information, to get some information. Same thing happens in cyberstalking. Now, someone may stalk you over the internet or through social media. Now, why they do that? In order to get the information against you and then attack against you. Now they may send online message, say Facebook. If you're using Facebook, they may send Facebook message and emails every now and then. Or say suppose someone is blackmailing you. That person is blackmailing you. That comes under cyber stalking. The one who is stalking over the internet may not give their name. They will keep their name unknown, as this is afforded by the internet. It allow us to give a nickname so as to allow the stalker to target their victim. What cyber stalkers do to trouble their victim? Now they collect all the information about the victim, such as name, family background, contact number, address, your daily routine of the victim, date of birth, etc. Now they collect this information through internet. The stalker may post this information on illegal website, posing as if the victim is posting this information. Say, for example, Facebook. If the stalker gets your email ID and password of your Facebook, now he may post something which is not good, as if you are posting. So you are the victim of this stalker. People of all kind from nook and corner of the world who come across the information start calling the victim. Say suppose you have uploaded some video. It was not actually you, but the stalker uploaded by getting your Facebook password and email ID. So people will start texting you a message and calling you a victim. Some stalkers subscribe the email account of the victim to innumerable obscene or illegal sites, because of which the victim starts receiving such kind of unsolicited emails. Now, a stalker may subscribe your email. Nowadays, we have social media like Facebook or Twitter. They can send innumerable amount of obscene or illegal site to your emails or to your message through Facebook. Now, stalkers will send in this way, and the victim may start receiving such kind of unsolicited emails or messages. For example, in Facebook, someone stalks you. He may send you unnecessary things up, unnecessary video things to you every now and then. That is how the stalkers will do. Stalkers will almost make contact with their victims through email, having friendly or threatening content. The stalker may times use multiple names when contacting them. Say for example, let's take the example of Facebook. Now, a stalker may send you a friend request through unknown name which is not known to you, and he may send you many friend requests through different names. He may try to be friendly with you or try to blackmail you, that is threaten you. Stalkers keep sending repeated emails asking for various kind of favors or threaten their victim. Say for example, the stalker is blackmailing you through Facebook. So he will send you the same message again and again for various kind of favors or threaten like you will get exposed. So in this way, cyber stalkers trouble their victim. Spreading rumors online. People often make a fake profile with some different names and do anything that can they do online and think they will not get caught. Say for example, nowadays we have rumors spreading about COVID-19. So these are nothing but rumors through online. Now rumors can be spread over the internet through WhatsApp, through Facebook or through Twitter or any other social media. These fake profiles indulge in posting false information on social media or comment that could hurt others or spread rumors that may trigger panic or hurt religious sentiments, resulting into clashes and even riots. Now there are some people who spread rumors about religion. Now religion is a very big issue in our country. Now if If someone spread a rumor about a religion that is not good or hurt the sentiment of a religion, now those two religions may, say for example Hindu or Muslim, will get clashed or even go for riots. Spreading rumor online is a cybercrime and is a punishable offense. So if you spread a rumor online, then it comes under cybercrime and it is a punishable offense. Now, as per Information of Technology Act of India, if you publish or circulate a rumor, especially hurting religious sentiments, is a cybercrime, and it may invite a fine of maybe around 10,000 rupees or more, with imprisonment extending up to 3 years, and you have to stay in jail for 3 years or more. Reporting a cybercrime. Now, if any cybercrime happens to you, one must first report to parents. If it happens in school, then school authorities, and then sent to police. To report a cybercrime, the local police station can be approached for filing complaints, just as the cybercrime cell specially designated with the jurisdiction to register complaint. Now, if any crime happens to you, you must first report to your parents and school authorities and then go to police. Now, you should go to the nearest local police station for filing a complaint. Now, you can also meet e-fir in most states. Now, what does e-fir means? e-fir means you can file a report online, which is available in most of the states. Now, what does FIR means? FIR stands for First Information Report. It is through which the file can be registered or a complaint can be registered. In addition, the Ministry of Home Affairs is also launching a website for registering crimes against women and children online, including cybercrimes. Now, Home Affairs Minister, the government, is also launching a website for registering crimes. If something happens against a woman or children, they can always file a complaint online, and including cybercrimes. The Information Technology Act categorically provides that the crime may be reported in the cybercrime unit of any city, irrespective of the place where the act was committed. Say, for example, someone made a troll against you, cyberbully make fun or harass against you, and that person is staying in Delhi. Now, according to this Information Technology Act, you can file a report in your hometown. Say, for example, right now you're staying in Meghalaya. You can file a report against a person who's staying in Delhi, in Meghalaya, through a cybercrime unit. That is how you report a cybercrime.